recording. Regular Joe here. So we're doing this thing called Ask a Kid. Listen to what this kid says about his mom.
What's your favorite thing about your mommy?
Give me hugs. And love play with me. And let take care of me. And you kiss me.
It's gonna melt everyone's hearts. This is going to be sort of a recurring segment on our TV show, Hit Record on TV. Every episode has a theme, and in each episode we want to have parents record their kids answering questions that are pertinent to that episode's theme. That one was for the theme of your mom. Listen to these kids talk about the dark.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Sometimes.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes,
Why?
because there's no light.
There can be bugs like spiders crawling up the bed.
Zombies come out and nobody's around. And they have whips on their faces.
Lots of good ones for the future.
I'm gonna talk about the future. They're gonna be robots. Giant robots.
Cyborgs.
Well, there are robots now, so probably even more robots.
Guns!
We're going to talk about guns. Do your parents allow you to play with toy guns?
Yeah, but we can't point them in anyone's face.
Natalie, are you allowed to play with toy guns?
Yes,
Do you like to play with guns?
not real guns.
What do you do if you see a real gun?
Have adults take care of it.
And here's what we have so far for secrets.
What is a secret?
It's something that you have to keep and not tell anyone
A
else.
secret is a secret. You can only tell your parents, not anybody else.
Something like that's private, that you can't even know.
They're just secrets. They're just in your head. Addie told me to keep a secret about Brody kissing Brooke, and I told her.
You told Brooke?
Now, that one brings up an interesting point because that girl's telling this really interesting story about how she told someone else a secret about some boy who kissed a girl, and I want to hear the rest of that story. So this is something for parents who are doing this. Follow up, ask follow-up questions. If your kid answers a question, ask them like, oh, well, tell me more about that, or like, oh, well, what happened next, or where did that happen, or etc. Engage them in a conversation. That's when you get really interesting stuff. So parents out there, record your kids answering these questions. You can see the list of questions on the collaboration page. We don't really have very many contributions yet for a few of the themes. Regarding the number 2, you could ask your kid a question about coming in second place versus coming in first place, how that feels. You could ask them about pairs of things. They could just talk about like, I have a pair of socks and these are my 2 trophies. Challenge them to come up with as many pairs as they can find around the house or something like that. We don't have a lot of contributions yet for school. You could ask them to talk about their favorite teacher, or I think another good question would be like, what don't you like about school? Tell us about something you hate about school. Fire, you could ask about if they've ever played with matches, or if they know how to make a fire safely, or if they think fire is scary. And by the way, if you can think of any other interesting questions to ask your kid, as long as it pertains to one of our 8 themes, you can totally use it. As you can see, the results are already really charming. I want to put a bunch of these little pieces on our episode. It can be sort of a recurring segment. And yeah, so ask your kid. Thanks again.